we'll guide you through how to use Claude Code effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Code website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to create one by clicking on Sign Up and following the prompts to fill in your details. After logging in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Here, you can start a new project by clicking on New Project. Give your project a name and select the type of code environment you need, whether it's Python, JavaScript, or any other supported language. Once your project is set up, you'll see a code editor interface. This is where you can write, edit, and run your code. Use the panel on the left to navigate between files or to add new ones. If you need to test your code, there's a Run button at the top. Click it to execute your code and see the results in the output panel below. If you encounter any errors, the platform provides helpful debugging tools and suggestions, making it easier to troubleshoot. There's also a collaboration feature where you can invite others to work on the project with you. Just click on the Share button and send the generated link to your team members. For any assistance, the Help section on the website is quite comprehensive and can guide you through any complex features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.